Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. It's a colorful French chewy pastry, often filled with ganache, buttercream, or jam. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as macaron, macaron, ron, macaron. Macarons are often enjoyed at tea parties, special celebrations, and as a treat at upscale bakeries, where their vibrant colors and sophisticated flavors make them a favorite among dessert enthusiasts. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about macaron, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.